Did you know that 75% of working parents report feeling anxious, stressed, and overwhelmed on a daily basis? And unsupported parents are more likely to experience decreased productivity at work, strained relationships at home, uncooperative kids, and even long-term health issues. Hello, I'm Camilla McGill, a parenting coach with over 20 years' experience transforming the lives of parents with young kids. If you're an HR professional or a forward-thinking company looking for ways to improve productivity, focus, and engagement by proactively supporting your working parents, then listen on. Any parent knows that balancing professional commitments with the demands of raising children can be incredibly challenging. It often feels like there's not enough time in the day to get everything done, let alone to ensure that their children are growing up healthy, happy, and well-adjusted. However, having systems in place and following tried and tested principles and practices makes a world of difference. With the right support, your employees can create harmonious, smooth-running home environments, which reduces the daily stress and conflict that many parents face. A smooth-running home allows your employees to focus more on their work without the constant worry about what's happening at home. Imagine your staff being able to attend that important meeting or finish a crucial product without the nagging concern that their kids are struggling or unhappy. With the right support, they can achieve this. They can be productive and successful in their careers while knowing that their children are thriving. And the good news is that it really doesn't have to be difficult for a forward-thinking company to provide this. I run in-house clinics, workshops, and group courses that truly transform parents' lives. I teach them strategies that are compassionate yet firm, creating a nurturing environment where children can flourish and parents can excel in their careers. Reaching out to me isn't just a compassionate move, it's a strategic choice that can significantly enhance your company's productivity and morale. So if you're looking for ways to make home life smoother and more fulfilling for your staff, feel free to reach out and set up a no-obligation conversation with me to discuss what I could provide for your staff. I'm here to help.